You're willfully standing here today saying that your own thoughts or your own desires, all of these different things, you're choosing to sacrifice those things and instead willfully choosing to put someone else's needs, someone else's desires over your own today.
Cadence, I love and admire your passion for life, your strength and your convictions, and your love for my son. Cadence, you are beautiful inside and out. You sparkle and shine on the dullest of days, and I know you will bring out that zest to your marriage.
He's a truly inspiring, godly man who I'm looking forward to watching the rest of your lives unfurl together. You couldn't have picked a more steady, caring, or loyal man, and I congratulate you.
I, Caleb, take you, Cadence, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold to this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
I, Cadence, take you, Caleb, to be my wedded husband, to have and to hold till this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
With this ring I thee wed, a symbol of my covenant to you.
And a symbol of my love.
And a symbol of my love.
With this ring I thee wed, this is a symbol of my covenant to you.
And a symbol of my love.
A symbol of my love.
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
I pronounce you one together, that you are now husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Caleb and Cadence, congratulations. We cannot possibly be more excited to watch you and support you as you begin your lives together. This has been our prayer for you since the day you were born.
When she first met Caleb and came home and talked to me about it, I knew there was no stopping her. To be always sure that you are on the right side of Cadence's dreams.
You bring her so much joy and balance the crazy. They say, find the amount of crazy you can handle and marry her. You have a high threshold. I love you both so much. Welcome to the family, Caleb.
Cadence, I'm very proud of you and watching you grow up. You always knew what you wanted and were a very young, responsible individual. Caleb and the Petty family, welcome to our family. Cheers.
We just want to say congrats on your very special day. We are super proud to have a new sister in the house. And yeah, why don't we give him a round of applause?
I've come to really appreciate Cadence for who she is and how she treats people and for how she treats Caleb.